Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy gold on Tiger Trade or Tiger Brokers. So let's go. Now open up your app. As you can see, I'm in demo account, but in live account, real account is the same way. So what you need to do is go here to the quotes, and then here that you see these watch lists, you can select here this magnifying glass and type in gold, and you will have here some option. But if you are not sure that this is correct, you can go here and scroll all the way to the end and click on more, then features, and scroll down a little bit, precise metals. You will see gold right here. Click on it and you will be redirected right to the option where you can buy. Now hit the buy button at the bottom left, and as you can see here, now we can select how much we want to buy. So I will go with market order, select here the quantity. So for example, let's say 100, like that. It's a little bit too expensive, so like so. And then just place buy order. Okay, so let's go and try to do like so. Okay, so I get one, continue, and then confirm, like that. And if I go here now to my portfolio, needs to be right over here somewhere. So now that you can see right under the today's order, here it's my transaction. If I click on it, I can have details right over here, how and when I bought. So this is how to buy gold. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.